Welcome, friends, to the class of distribution theory. This is our second lecture on the topic Rth moment of beta distribution of first kind with parameters m, comma n. In the first lecture, we have seen PDF of beta distribution of first kind and also derive its mean and variance. In today's lecture, I will derive the expression for rth raw moment of beta distribution of first kind. Using these moments, we find mean and variance. So, firstly, we go through the rth moment. Let x be a random variable having beta distribution of first kind with parameters m, comma n. Its PDF is f of x is equal to 1 upon beta m comma n into x raised to m minus 1 minus x raised to n minus 1, where x is lies between 0 to 1 and the parameters m comma n must be positive. It takes values 0 elsewhere. We know the definition of rth raw moment, which is mu r dash is equal to expected value of x raised to r, and we know the definition of expected value of x is integration over x into f of x dx. So here we replace the x raised to r by x. So we get the rth raw moment or expected value of x raised to r is integration over x raised to r f of x dx. Put the expression of f of x, we have integration over 0 to 1, since the range of x is 0 to 1. So here integration over 0 to 1 x raised to r 1 upon beta mn x raised to m minus 1 minus x raised to n minus 1 dx. We take 1 upon beta m comma n outside the integral sign, since it is constant or it is independent of x. So therefore 1 upon beta mn into integration over 0 to 1 x raised to r x raised to m minus 1 1 minus x raised to n minus 1 dx. So therefore 1 upon beta mn into integration over 0 to 1 x raised to r plus m minus 1 into 1 minus x raised to n minus 1 dx. And now we know the integration, this integration is the beta function. That means beta ab is equal to integration over 0 to 1 x raised to a minus 1 1 minus x raised to b minus 1 dx. So now if we put m plus r as a and n as a b, so we get this integration is beta m plus r comma n, and this 1 upon beta mn is as it is. Further, by using the relationship between beta function and gamma function, we simplify this expression. So we know that beta AB is equal to gamma A into gamma B divided by gamma A plus B. So same here, we replace the m plus r by A, so we get the gamma m plus r. N by B, so we get the gamma n, and denominator is gamma m plus r plus n. Similarly, this 1 upon beta mn is 1 upon gamma m into gamma n divided by gamma m plus n. And we know that the denominator of denominator is numerator. So this gamma m plus n is numerator side. So we get this gamma m plus r into gamma n as it is. Denominator gamma m plus r plus n is as it is. So this denominator of denominator is numerator. So therefore gamma m plus n is numerator side and gamma m into gamma n is denominator. So by cancelling this gamma n, we get the expression of rth raw moment of beta first kind, which is mu r dash is equal to gamma m plus r into gamma m plus n divided by gamma m into gamma m plus n plus r, where r is 1, 2 and so on. So every r we can find the moment. So from this expression of mu r dash, we derive mean and variance. So for mean, put the r is equal to 1 in the expression mu r dash, then mu 1 dash is equal to gamma m plus 1 gamma m plus n gamma m into gamma m plus n plus 1. Again, by using the result, gamma n is equal to n minus 1 into gamma n minus 1. So here gamma m plus 1 is m into gamma m, and gamma m plus n is as it is divided by gamma m into same way m plus n into gamma m plus n. and now I have cancelled the gamma m plus n and gamma m. So finally we get the m upon m plus n, and which is the mean of beta distribution of first kind, which is the first raw moment is nothing but the mean of the distribution. So therefore mu1 dash is equal to m upon m plus n is the mean of the beta distribution of first kind. Okay, so now for finding the variance of x, we want to find the second raw moment. So for the second raw moment, we put the r is equal to 2 in the expression of the mu r dash. So once we have to put the r is equal to 2 in the mu r dash expression, we get gamma m plus 2 into gamma m plus n divided by gamma m into gamma m plus n plus 2, because our expression of the rth raw moment is gamma m plus r into gamma m plus n divided by gamma m into gamma m plus n plus r. So just I have to put the r is equal to 2 in the rth raw moment expression. Again I have used the gamma function formula, that is gamma n is equal to n minus 1 into gamma n minus 1. So here m plus 1 into gamma m plus 1, again gamma m plus 1 is nothing but the m into gamma m. So here m into m plus 1 into gamma m multiply by gamma m plus n divided by gamma m as it is. Same way the m plus n plus 1 into m plus n into gamma m plus n. Again I have cancelled this gamma m plus n and gamma m. So we get the second raw moment, which is equal to m into m plus 1 divided by m plus n into m plus n plus 1. This is the second raw moment of beta distribution of first kind. So from this mu1 dash, our mu1 dash is m upon m plus n and mu2 dash is m into m plus 1 divided by m plus n into m plus n plus 1. So from this mu1 dash and mu2 dash, we now derive the expression for variance. We know the second central moment or the variance from the raw moment is mu2 dash minus mu1 dash bracket square. So just I have to put this mu2 dash and mu1 dash in this expression. We get this m into m plus 1 into m plus n into m plus n plus 1 minus mu1 dash square is nothing but m upon m plus n whole square, that means minus m square upon m plus n bracket square. So from simplifying this, so we get m into m plus 1 into m plus n minus m square into m plus n plus 1 divided by m plus n bracket square upon m plus n plus 1. Here I'll just same the denominator here. This is denominator is m plus n bracket square upon m plus n plus 1. So that case here m plus n is multiply and divide here, and here m plus n plus 1 is multiply and divide here. So we get this form. Further I have just simplify this brackets. So first one is m into m plus 1. So we get m into m square, m into 1 is m, and m plus 1 n is as it is, minus m square into m cube, m square into n, m square into n, and m square is as it is. So here the minus sign is outside the bracket, so it is minus sign in the all these terms, and denominator is as it is m plus n bracket square upon m plus n plus 1. Further, we simplify these brackets, we get m square into m is m cube, m square into n is m square into n, m into m square, and m into n is mn, minus m cube as it is, minus m square into n is as it is, and minus m square is as it is. Denominator is also your as it is m plus n bracket square into m plus n plus 1. I have cancelled the positive and negative terms. So m cube cancel, m square into n again cancel this term, and m square cancel. So only the term are remaining is m into n. So m into n divided by your denominator m plus n bracket square into m plus n plus 1. So this is the second central moment, and which is nothing but the variance of x. Okay. So this is the your variance of beta distribution of second kind. This is the just beta distribution of second kind. This is the variance, and this variance, and already I have to told that the mean of this distribution is m upon m plus n. So this is mean and this is your variance. Okay, thank you so much.